I'm James Carl C. Garcia from S1W, section S1W. Today, I will explain the discharge procedure for oil demixture from cargo tank, cleaning and engine room bilge according to MARPOL Annex 1. MARPOL Annex 1 is an international rule that helps prevent oil pollution from ship. It means main purpose to protect the sea and marine life from oil contamination. So, ga-protect ko na sa life sa dagat para di magkuhan oil spill. For cargo tank cleaning, the oily water or residues should not be discharged directly into the sea. Di ko na dapat i-discharge dayon sa dagat. The residue collected is in a slope tank. If discharge is allowed, the ship must follow the MARPOL rules. So, ila ka na i-follow ang MARPOL rules. The ship should be moving. It must be far from land. And the amount of oil discharge must be within the allowed limit. If these conditions are not met, the oily waste must be kept on board and delivered to a port reception facility. So, mga to siya. Dapat magkuhan di mula pa sa limit. For the engine room bilge, the oil bilge water is collected in the bilge tank. It is then sent to the oil water separator. This machine separates the oil from the water. The clean water passes through the oil content monitor. If the oil content is 15 parts per million or 15 ppm or less, the water may be discharged into the sea. If it's more than 15 ppm, the water is sent back further treatment and must not be discharged. The ship must also record all transfers, discharge, and disposal, and the oil record book. This helps prove that the ship follows the MARPOL rules. So, dapat ko ma-record tanan kay mo ay magpamatuod na ang barko or ship nag-follow dyan sila sa rules. MARPOL rules and regulation. In conclusion, following MARPOL Annex 1 is very important because it prevents oil pollution, protects marine life, and keeps our ocean clean and safe. And that's all. Thank you for listening.